proud now. Everybody get on up and grab somebody. If you wanna groove, then you move and I say, when the beat drops, if you show me what you got, can you drop it like it's hot in the USA? Hit ghetto, won't you let go, won't you let go?
Just heading to Canary Wharf. Oh, I look great there. I don't know what she's looking at me for. She haven't seen anyone vlog. Let me stop cussing at the moment before I lose my powers all over myself. Walking through this lovely park. I'll catch you guys when maybe in Canary Wharf. Might see some little clips of me walking by. Ta-ta. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This is Canary Wharf. Where's the... I missed the bus. Oh, no deal. Now I've got to figure out how to get to... Well, I'm walking to Brett, so I'm not getting a bus. Nice day just to walk it. So I'll catch you guys in a minute. I'm just staring at the phone. When I get to Brett's in a quiet place, as the black guy, Mitch Ray's boy, is just looking at me. He knows I'm looking the part. So I'll catch you guys in a minute. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm still walking in Canary Wharf now to get down to that bottom part. That's beautiful. Let me just show you the behind of it. You can see the city. Yes. People must think I'm a tourist, but I can act like one. Just have to put, all I have to do is put an American accent, and you know, I am a tourist. Oh, the weather's smart, and I need to freshen myself up when I get indoors. I'm sweating like a bacon. But he's cute. Oh, hope you guys are having a fabulous time. Yes, I just entered Rose's house, aka Brett. She'll say cats later. The last floor.
Please,
she's gonna be
mind the door.
Whatever.
Doors closing.
Oh, I gotta freshen up.
Going up.
Absolutely hot. I got checked out by 5 black guys on my way here. I was like, oh my god, they're all looking at me in my eye. I wonder what you mean in the car. I said, oh my god, I must be doing something wicked about, but I'm keeping myself to myself. Yes, ma'am. Oh, it's too hot. You better not stay in the house. Me and Brett, we're gonna fight. Oh, what is it long?
5th floor.
Yes, ma'am, I look good.
Doors opening.
Oh, around here. Every time I come out, it smells of weed. Every time I walk in this block, it smells of weed. Girl.
A holiday in, dear.
You smell weed every time I come into your house.
No, not weed, dear.
What is it then? Sperm?
No, come and meet my cousin, dear. 10 inches.
Say that again.
Me like 2... Me don't like 2 inches. Me like 10 inches.
We all know you.
That one on YouTube. I'm really happy.
We're all drunk.
Are you drunk? Have you been drinking today?
Yesterday.
Oh, let's get a nice picture, come on. Nice whore bags. Chinese eyes.
Chinese eyes.
You calling me Chinese? Oh, yes,
Oh, man, y'all, look.
Every night in my dreams.
hard work.
I'm trying to look like that, man. You're so sensitive. rain was bad.
Where are we going?
We're in the inn.
Well, where?
In the inn.
What kind of, are you Chinese?
Canary Wharf.
That's more like it. So they can hear English.
We're going somewhere.
Greenwich. Unless you want to meet us there.
Greenwich Market.
Are we on
Cass Slater is walking that way. And you know, these people need to move their bomber clock ass, man.
I look marvellous.
It's not a fucking free hotel.
What?
I see my aunt. I am up.
You flaunt it, yeah, you got it, okay.